Welcome to this Gada Digital Media. We have special program today. I invite these guys. We start from some question. Welcome to our channel, brother.
Thank you for you invite me to interview on your Gada
Digital Media. Okay, thank you very much. Let you start from introduce yourself.
My name is Beka Mi'eso. I was born in Dodula.
Okay.
I was graduated from Harma University.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, thank you. Let you start with your, some information. You have more experience with doing sport. So would you tell me about it?
Yeah,
when you start and where you start?
Yeah, that's true. I got from my family. My father was working with the past regime, Mengistu Haile He's a Sparta.
Okay, are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Elder brother through when the taekwondo established in Arsinagele, he pay for us, and then I have at this time I have degree black belt.
Okay, this is a great story for our today living young people. And also you went in Ghana once upon a time. So will you tell me about it, bro?
I don't know where did you get this information. That's the information is true.
Okay. If the information is true, tell me.
Okay. When I was graduated from Harama University, I get the chance working on young generation, working with American government.
Okay.
I was in Ghana, in Accra, near to Accra, around Kanashi and Kaswa,
okay.
Near to Atlantic Ocean. Okay. I was living in that area.
Okay. What kind of experience we have got from there?
I get experience from Ghana. I don't know about my country more than before I leave my country.
Okay.
And Ethiopia is the spirit of Africa. And also the other African country love Ethiopia more than other wide worlds.
Okay, that is a great message for our audience. I'm proud with my country. We are a multi-nation internationality. We have multi-cultures, multi-linguistic, multi-religious issue. So what kind of message for our people? We are now suffering. We love each other, but we are living in conflict. How we overcome this conflict?
Yeah, equality is very important, and
treating equality.
And unity is the power.
Yeah.
No one can never like I am the boss. I'm like
no one is superiority, and one is inferiority.
Yeah, yes. all are equal.
Okay.
And we are human beings.
Okay.
And the other religion can respect the other ethics or the nation and
that's our cultures.
Yeah,
that's our cultures.
Yeah.
Okay.
And before we have norms, and we need to be unity. Unity is power.
So we should have unity. We should have collaborating. We should have love, as you have said now. This is your message.
Yeah.
Let's continue our question, and we'll come back. Our audience, stay with us. Our audience, stay with us. We start our discussion regarding on using technology. What do you think about technology? Let's start from the basic concept of technology.
Yeah, that's true. Technology have advantage and the disadvantage.
Okay.
We need to know how to use it. The technology.
Mm-hmm.
We need to know how to use it.
Yeah. the basic concept of technology is one of the tools that we share our message and our idea through internet.
Let me tell you my experience. When I use social media, I just positively by teaching a good message.
Okay.
And by using positive thinking and by teaching true messages.
Yeah, you know, nowadays there is a lot of news that disseminated, fake news,
false,
hate speech, disinformation, the misinformation. We have got different unwanted message from media platform. How you can prevent ourselves from this unwanted and the false and the propagated message? How we prevent ourselves?
Our country is a famous country in the world, and we need to stop passing this false information by protecting and by
protecting the rule and regulation of the country. We have
rule of regulation.
Media regulation. The media concept. Is a great point. So let you conclude our discussion today. What is your message? And if you have a message, I have give chance for you. If you have some message regarding on the using of technology as well for the or audience, especially for youngest. If you have message, you can raise your idea.
I want to share my idea. Technology is very important when how to use it on it.
Okay, thank you very much, our respectful audience. Our discussion is today. We stop here and we will continue with another issue. Thank you to watching us. If you like this video, you can share and you can comment in the comment box. And if you new for our channel, we invite you to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.